Is your score tool not scoring very well? It could be that you need to replace your scoring stylus, but it also could be your adapter piece right here. See, mine's broken. It wasn't scoring as well, and then it just completely stopped scoring, and I noticed that this little arrow was above this, and typically it's down. So I pushed up and it popped right out. So when I was playing, opened the clamp and I was playing with this, and that was barely hanging on by a thread, so it was broken. So I don't have an extra piece, but luckily I do have a maker machine that I have replaced the piece on one other time. So I pulled that one out and I think it will work. I haven't tried it just yet, but I did look on Amazon, and this piece is $10 on Amazon, and it's on Cricut. It's on sale for $1. The thing is, Amazon, you can get it like next day, and Cricut, of course, is going to take probably a week. But I have this one. So if this one works, I'm just going to wait the week to get the replacement from Cricut because that's so much cheaper. So how do we change this? You just simply pull up, which you might think that you're going to break your machine, but it's much easier than trying to open this clamp. You can also push up. There we go. See, it wasn't super simple, but it did come out. So I'm going to put that to the side, and then this is the piece from my maker. Let's pray it's the same one. And you simply push down, which again, that one goes in a lot easier than it is to take out, and we'll clamp it down. Put our scoring tool in, but now I feel like that doesn't fit. The original slot A adapters, you had to push until they clicked, and this is one of the old ones, but when I got my Explorer 4, you don't have to push until it clicks anymore. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit play again because this one, it didn't score it again at all, and we'll see if it works. And yay, it did our score line. So that's how you change your scoring tool adapter. So I want to say that I was really shocked that this broke already because I've only had this Explorer 4 for less than a year. I had my Maker 1 for 8 years, and I only had to change this one time. So it shouldn't happen very often, but it is a really good idea to order at least one, if not more, to just have on hand if this does happen to you.